Hey, welcome to Quarantine Cookers. This is kind of a bonus episode here because everywhere I go, when I take a thermos with me or one of those cups, people smell my coffee and they say, "Hey man, your coffee smells great. Tell me about it." Happens all the time, almost every day. The problem is most people are used to either having to pay $5 for a cup of coffee or they're making an inferior coffee at home. And I don't do that. I grind my own beans. I bought a cheap grinder at some store that we won't name because they're not paying me. I bought me a cheap grinder. It's got a little cup on, a little plastic cup, comes off like that right there. And what I do is I buy whole bean coffee. I'm trying to, well, I guess I am going to show a little bit of the brand, but this is pretty good. This is not the only coffee I drink, but this is a particularly aromatic coffee, and I think you'll like it. So what I do, it's got a fill line on it, but it's also got that little metal cup. And I come almost up to that fill line, and that's good enough for me. I'm happy with that. So what I do when people are trying to talk to me in the house is I'll plug this up, and as soon as they start talking, I'll can't hear you, like that. But I run it, and at this point, I know about the fineness of the grind that I want to get the flavor that I want. We're almost there, but not quite. I'm gonna go just another couple of seconds. All right, now we're ready. So, in order to do this like I do, you gotta have a tall filter, all right? Nothing scientific about that. Just however much will fill up a little bit more than that metal cup at the bottom. Slide this in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my burner on. I have 10 cups. This is important. Water. Cold water. Don't start off with hot water. Cold water. Pour this in here. You are going to spill some. But this time I didn't. We're ready. About 3 or 4 minutes, I'll have 10 cups of delicious coffee. And thing you want to remember is if you're buying already ground coffee and you're buying the cheapest thing you can get, you're getting what you pay for. So just remember, life's too short to drink bad coffee, and most people are. All right, it's ready. Oh yeah, that's good. And if you can see that cup right there, this is a handmade cup by my cousin. If you'd like to have a one-of-a-kind coffee cup of your own, let me know in the comments and I'll get you in contact with the person who can make them and ship them to you. Thank you.